Alright. See you in a bit. Cheers, Mike.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this new video of where we're going to be baking some flapjacks. Flapjacks, if you didn't know, are a really tasty snack. If you don't know what flapjacks are, don't feel bad. I'm going to show you how to make them today. Let's get going with the recipe. You will need some porridge oats, some margarine, optionally some raisins, demerara sugar, and some golden syrup. To start off the preparation, we're going to want to heat the oven to 160 degrees. Mike put on the text for the Fahrenheit. Thanks, Mike. So now, what we're going to do is put some greaseproof baking paper under this smallest tray. And then we're going to grab a pencil and hold the tin in the inside and just draw around the tin. Now with our scissors, we're just going to cut the nice full shape. Now we're going to get our margarine, which is what we're going to grease the tin with, and we're going to take this out and we're going to use one of our scraps here, roll it up and get a little bit of margarine on it. We're going to rub that around the bottom of the tin, and then we're going to pop this on top, this greaseproof paper. So this basically just sticks it down a bit. And then you want to grease on the top as well. And you want to get every little corner. So now we're going to grab our margarine and we're going to put it into this big saucepan. So in it goes. And then we're going to add our sugar. So now we're just going to turn our hob on, then we're going to put it on a low heat. And we're going to do this until all the margarine melts. Right, okay, so we've got a couple of little bits that are just melting quickly. We're just stirring everything in. Bit by bit, I'm just going to get the oats, and I'm just going to add a little bit of the oats. There we go. Stir it in, then we'll do another bit. Maybe add one more. It will get tougher as you add more, but just keep going. Be resilient. Yeah! At this stage, you want to add some golden syrup. So I have a tablespoon here. So you want to spoon in 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. So that's 1. Make sure when you actually put everything on the spoon, it's actually over the bowl. If it goes on your work surface, it's okay, but it's slightly annoying to clean off. Okay, so I've now added all the golden syrup, and I'm going to continue to add my oats. And now, optionally, you can add some raisins. So I'm just going to add a bit. There's not an actual amount of raisins that you should add, but I like to have some raisins. So now we've got our flapjacks here and got our tray. We're going to spoon our flapjack into the tray. So the wooden spoon isn't that great, so I've got more of a scoopy spoon. Here I've got a ladle, not ideal either, but it'll do. And so I'm just spooning all of this in. So now I've got all of that into the tray. Not in the tray. And so now I've got my wooden spoon and I'm just gonna stretch it into all 4 corners so we've got it nice and even. Now flapjack is not as easy to work with as cake mix, so you just want to pat it down. So now our oven is heated up and our flapjacks are ready. So now we're going to pop this in the oven and we're going to put it on for around 25 minutes. So now my flapjacks are ready, and I'm just going to pull these out, and they look nice. Some of the raisins are a bit burnt, but otherwise it looks pretty good. So now, before I let these cool, I'm just going to chop these up evenly. So these should go into 12 nice easy cubes. And now it's time to just let them set. Okay, so I've left these for like 10 minutes, and now they're nice and easy to just pop out of the tray. So I'm going to grab a spoon plate, and we're just going to use this sort of dessert serving spoon thing, and you can just grab that out. I'm going to have a quick taste test. Test my flapjack is my big brother Hugh, who's like enormously tall, so that's why there's a big shot. Not the best quality flapjack, but yeah.
That's really good. Yeah.
Should they bake it?
Yeah. Alright. See you in a bit. Cheers, Mike.
Yeah, you're not. So thanks for watching this video. Oh, wait, actually. That's a bit better. So thanks for watching this video. If you did like it, please press the like button and also subscribe if you're new to the channel. I upload a video every month. I'm sure that I'll keep on record of when I'm supposed to do a video. Lots of busy stuff going on. I've actually been at a Take That concert. See you guys in the next video.